Hey guys, welcome to Wednesday on the channel. I gotta start with some shout outs because you guys showed up in a huge way for me last week. So last Wednesday's video, I was like, I'm all alone and no one's doing the homework. And then boom, I logged in and there were tons of comments, lots of people doing the homework. So everyone, thank you, thank you. You filled my heart with joy. Liam, Lana, Patrick, Soviet Doggo, and I had a nice exchange. If you want to see some great sentences, go back to last Wednesday's video, click down into the comment section and you can see awesome stuff. And then I also got another message from Reginald, who spilled the tea on his teacher, left a funny message for me, a note of encouragement really, but basically said he's in 8th grade and his teacher has kids watch these videos and then do their homework. So awesome stuff. If you're that teacher, you're cool like that. And whether you're doing the homework and you leave the sentences down below, you just sort of think about it on your own, or you're turning it in physically to a real teacher in real life, I'm just glad you're here with me learning new words. So that's what we're going to do. It's Wednesday. On Wednesdays, we learn new words. Here we go. All right, let's learn some words. First up this week is vehement. It is an adjective meaning deeply felt, passionate. If there's something that you really want to fight for, you would be vehemently in support of that. I use the adverb vehemently, but you could have a vehement interest in pursuing that element of social justice, for example. I always give a synonym and an antonym whenever we do our words, so you can hit pause, write down your best guess, and then compare it with mine. Here they come. So a synonym would be forceful or fierce. Antonym could be indifferent or apathetic, like you just don't care much at all. Here's your sentence for this week. Arguing for healthier food options, students staged a vehement protest outside the cafeteria. Oh, I wish this were true. Demand good, fresh food, y'all. Unfortunately, I think too many of you are satisfied with flaming hot Cheetos and a Red Bull for lunch. So let's bring back vibrant, beautiful fruits and vegetables to your school lunches. That would be wonderful. Again, sidebar, you know I can't stop myself. All right, leave your sentence below in the comment section, and then we'll jump into word number 2. The next word is wan, which is an adjective meaning pale, or appearing to be exhausted or ill. We generally use wan to talk about someone's complexion, like their color's just not right. Sometimes a student will come in, and they just look pale, kind of greenish, worn out, or wan. All right, here come your synonym and antonym. You could use sickly or drained. Antonyms, robust, hardy. I think the opposite of wan is like a lumberjack, right? Just really, really powerful. And your sentence this week: after our driving lesson, my father's complexion was wan, so I bought him a ginger ale. I love a ginger ale. Nothing revives you quite like that. All right, give me a sentence using wan. And your last word this week is amicable. Amicable means having a spirit of friendliness. It's an adjective, an amicable relationship, an amicable settlement. Synonyms are cooperative or easygoing. The antonym could be hostile or unpleasant, something that's filled with strife. Amicable, always patient and amicable. Leslie is the peacekeeper in my circle of friends. You probably have somebody who plays that role in your group as well. There's always somebody who's like, come on, guys, let's just calm down. We're looking for the amicable folks. They are the peacekeepers. All right. You know that I love seeing your sentences, so go ahead and leave those 3 in the comment section below, and I'll circle around and take a look at what you're writing. Always, I'm here on Wednesdays doing a deep dive on 3 SAT level vocab words, and then on Fridays we're doing Freestyle Friday, little drops of high school English here on YouTube. Always a little random, but always hopefully helpful. And then Mondays are all about proofreading, mugshots, mechanics, usage, and grammar. All right, that's it for this week, for Wednesday anyway, and I'll see you guys on Friday. Bye.